The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic has become popular for its potential to aid in weight loss. Packed with natural ingredients, this tonic is said to target the root cause of excess weight, believed to be inflammation, and promote a healthy metabolism. By providing antioxidants and promoting digestive health, it may help reduce bloating, support fat burning, and even curb appetite. However, it's important to remember that weight loss requires a combination of a healthy diet, exercise, and lifestyle changes. The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic may be a helpful addition to your weight loss journey, but consult a healthcare professional before making any changes to your routine. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic has gained popularity for its potential benefits in weight loss. This unique tonic is inspired by the healthy habits of the people from Okinawa, Japan, who are known for their long and healthy lives. The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic contains a powerful blend of ingredients that work together to support metabolism and promote healthy digestion. One of the key ingredients is the polyphenol-rich hibiscus flower, which has been shown to help reduce fat accumulation. It also contains anti-inflammatory properties that can aid in weight loss. Another important ingredient in the tonic is the antioxidant-packed green tea extract. Green tea has been widely studied for its ability to increase metabolism and stimulate fat burning. It also helps regulate blood sugar levels, helping to prevent sharp spikes and crashes that can lead to overeating. Furthermore, the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic includes probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that support a healthy gut microbiome. A healthy gut is essential for efficient digestion and nutrient absorption. By improving gut health, the tonic can help reduce bloating and improve overall digestion, leading to weight loss. In addition to these ingredients, the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is packed with vitamins and minerals that provide essential nutrients for overall health and well-being. It is specially designed to tackle visceral fat, which is the fat that surrounds vital organs and is particularly stubborn to lose. While the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic can be a helpful addition to a weight loss journey, it is important to remember that it is not a magic solution. It should be combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise to achieve the best results. As with any supplement, it is recommended to consult with a healthcare professional before starting to ensure it is suitable for individual needs. Overall, the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic offers a natural and holistic approach to weight loss by addressing metabolism, digestion, and overall health.